Hi friends, good morning. Let us do some problems on ages. This is part of our arithmetic reasoning. Problems on ages. Problems on ages. This is part of our arithmetic reasoning. And our today's first problem is the ratio, the total ages of A, N, S, the total ages of A, N, S, that is A plus N plus S, A plus N plus X, S is equal to 96 years. 5 years ago, the ratio of the ages, 5 years ago, the ratio of the ages was 2:3:4. Ratio 2:3:4 means their ages 2x, 3x, 4x. 5 years ago, their ages 2x, 3x, 3x, and 4x. The ratio 2:3:4, that is their ages 2x, 3x, 4x. These are the ages 5 years ago. Then what are the present ages? 2x plus 5, 3x plus 5, and 4x plus 5. And sum of these three ages is equal to 96. So 2x plus 5 plus 3x plus 5 plus 4x plus 5 is equal to 96. 2x to 5x, 9x. 9x plus 15 is equal to 96. 9x is equal to 81. X is equal to 9. Now let us see what is the question. What is the percentage of S? These are the percentages. A, N, S. What is the percentage of S? So percentage of S is equal to 4x plus 9. 4x plus 9. X 9. 4x plus 5. X 9. 4 9s 36 plus 5 41. 4x plus 5. 4 9s 36 plus 5 is equal to 41. So S is equal to 41. This is simple problem. Now let us see the next problem. 5 years ago, the ratio of the ages of O and N was 8:7. When 5 years ago, O is to N is equal to 8:7. That is O 8x, O is equal to 8x, N is equal to 7x. These are the ages 5 years ago. Then what are the present ages? 8x plus 5, O is equal to 8x plus 5, N is equal to 7x plus 5. First thing. 3 years hence, that is after 3 years. The ratio of the ages will be 12:11. So these are the ages 5 years ago. These are the present ages. Now 3 years after, 3 years hence. 3 years hence means 3 years after. 3 years after the ages are 8x plus 8. We have to add 3. This is 7x plus 8. So 3 years hence, the ratio was 3 years hence, ratio will be 12:11. 12 by 11. 11 8s, 88x plus 88 is equal to 84x plus 96. 4x is equal to 96 minus 88, 8. X is equal to 2. Now what is the question? The question is, what is n's present age? What is n's present age? These are the percentages. We want the percentage of n. Percentage of n is equal to 7x plus 5. 7x plus 5 x2, 7 2s are 14 plus 5, 19. 19, that is second question, friends. And third question is, present average age of A and B is 6x minus 15. Present average age, A plus B by 2, A plus B by 2 is equal to 6x minus 15, 6x minus 15. This is average, A plus B by 2. Now A plus B is equal to 2 into 6x, 12x minus 30. This is A plus B, Now the present average age of A, B and C. Average age of A, B and C is, here there are 3 members. Average is by 3. A plus B plus by 3 is equal to 4x plus 6. Now A plus B plus C. Is equal to 3 4s 12x plus 3 6s 18. So this is A plus B plus C. This is A plus B. A plus B plus C minus A plus B gives C. C is equal to A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. 12x plus 18 minus A plus B. 12x minus 30. This is equal to 12x plus 18 minus 12x plus 30. That is equal to 48. C is equal to 48, friends. C is equal to 48. Now the problem is not over. Now at this age we got the age of C. The present age of B is 25% less than C. 25% less than the present age of C. C is equal to 48. B is equal to 25% less than. 25% less than C. 25% less than C means 75%. 25 3s, 25 4s, 4 12s. B is equal to 36. Now B's age is 25% less than C and 20% more than A. So B's age is 20% more than A. 20% more than A. 20% more means 120 by 100. 25% less means 75%. 20% more means 120%. So 12 3s 36, 3 10s 30, A is equal to 30. That is the question here. What is the, find the present age of A? A is equal to 30 years. A is equal to 30 years. The age of Arun, next problem friends, the age of Arun is x plus 5 years. The age of Arun is x plus 5. And Arun is 4 years older than Varun. Arun is 4 years older than Arun. So V is equal to A minus 4. V is equal to A minus 4. A is equal to what? X plus 5. X plus 5 minus 4, X plus 1. So we have A, we have V. We have A and we have V. Now let us see the question. The ratio of the age of Arun 2 years hence. 2 years hence. Present age X plus 5. 2 years hence means we have to add 2 years. The ratio of the age of Arun after 2 years and the age of Varun 1 year before, age of Varun 1 year before, present age x plus 1, 1 year before x plus 1 minus 1, x. This ratio is given in the problem. What is that ratio? 6:5. 6:5. Here the ratio 6:5. Here the ratio 6:5 is equal to Arun's age after 2 years. Arun's age after 2 years and Varun's age 1 year before. Varun's age 1 year before. So x. Now let us find x. 6x is equal to 5x plus 35. 5x plus 35. X is equal to 35. X is equal to 35. Now let us see the question. Next question. Let us see this question. What is the question? Find the age of Sunil. Now we have to find the age of Sunil. Find the age of Sunil whose age is 4 years less than the average age of Arun and Varun. So let us find the average age of Arun and Varun and subtract 4 years because Sunil is 4 years less than the average of Arun and Varun. So Arun's age is equal to x plus 5. 35 plus 5, 40. Arun 40. What is Varun? Varun x plus 1. 35 plus 1, 36. So total 76. Average 76 by 2, 38. So the average of Arun and Varun is 38. Now our Sunil is 4 years less than the average of Arun and Varun. So Sunil is equal to 38 minus 4, 34 years. Sunil is 34 years. Our next question is, friends, 7 years later from now, A will be, so after 7 years, let us say A is equal to X. Let us say after 7 years, 7 years later A will be, that is after 7 years, let us say A will be X. Here the problem is 7 years later A will be as old as B was 4 years ago. 7 years later X. 7 years later this X is equal to what is the problem? B was 4 years ago. Therefore B will be X plus 4. So 7 years after A is equal to X. This X is equal to B's age 4 years ago. That is B minus 4. This X is equal to B minus 4. B is equal to X plus 4. Now let us see. C was born 2 years ago. Means now C's present age is 2 years. Now C is equal to 2 years. He was born 2 years ago. The average age of A, B and C 10 years later will be 33 years. So A plus B plus C after 10 years. Now let us find A plus B plus C after 10 years. A's age after 7 years is X. After 10 years, we have to add 3 more years. So after 10 years, A will be X plus 3. After 10 years, A will be X plus 3. After 10 years, B will be. B's present age is X plus 4. After 10 years, D will be, after 10 years, D will be x plus 14. This is x plus 14. And C's present age is 2 years. After 10 years, C will be 10 plus 2, 12. So, average of these three is equal to 33 years. X plus x, 2x plus 17 plus 12, 29 is equal to 333 is 99. 2x is equal to 70, x is equal to 35, x is equal to 35. Now let us see what is the question here. What is the percentage of A? What is the percentage of A? So we got x is equal to 35. What is this 35? What is this x 35? A's age after 7 years. After 7 years, A is equal to 35. The present age is equal to 35 minus 7, 28 years. After 7 years, 35. So now he will be 28 only. That is the question here. And so let us see some more problems in our next class. Have a nice day, friends. Once again, I request you, please subscribe to this channel so that you will get more and more interesting videos. If more and more people subscribe, I will get encouragement and I will prepare more interesting and useful videos for all competitive exams. Okay, friends, have a nice day.